Did you know that a former US president might have committed a crime by possessing classified documents? That's right, we're talking about Donald Trump. Now let's unravel this intriguing story. Jennifer Little, Trump's attorney, found herself in a position where she had to warn the former president about the criminal consequences of lying to the Justice Department. This was in regards to his handling of classified documents. The warning bell was rung during a meeting at Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate shortly after he was hit with a subpoena in May 2022. Now, keep in mind this subpoena was considered more serious than previous instances where the National Archives simply asked Trump to return government documents. Trump agreed to let his attorney, Evan Corcoran, search for any remaining classified records. But, plot twist, before Corcoran could even begin his search, Trump instructed his co-defendants to remove several boxes from a storage room. Corcoran later turned over 38 classified documents found in his basement search, but the story doesn't end there. The FBI later discovered an additional 102 classified documents during a search of Mar-a-Lago. So, what does this mean for Trump? Let's delve deeper. Imagine being the first ex-president charged with a crime. That's the reality Trump might be facing. It's a heavy weight to carry, and the stakes are high. Trump is expected to stand before a judge in Manhattan, making history as the first former head of state to face such a predicament. This follows a recent indictment involving a hush money payment. Quite the pickle, don't you think? But that's not all. He's also under scrutiny for other legal issues. These include his attempts to overturn the 2020 election result in Georgia and his conduct leading up to the January 6th attack on the US Capitol. It seems trouble follows Trump like a shadow, ever-present and inescapable. Now, what does the public think about all this? Well, a CNN SSRS poll shows that a significant 6 out of 10 Americans approve of the indictment. However, they also believe politics had a hand in the decision. It's a contentious issue, stirring debate and dividing opinion. And let's not forget the impact on the GOP presidential race. The case has already shaken the political landscape, with potential challengers joining Trump's allies in criticizing the investigation. It's a whirlwind of controversy, a storm of legal battles and public opinion. But wait, there's more to this story. How do you think Americans feel about the FBI's actions in this case? That's a question with a myriad of answers, depending on where you look on the political spectrum. A Reuters Ipsos poll revealed a stark divide. Half of the Republicans surveyed sided with Trump, expressing belief that the FBI acted irresponsibly. Democrats and independents, however, largely backed the Bureau, trusting in their commitment to impartial law enforcement. This case is not just about classified documents, it's about the Justice Department's investigation into potential violations of the Espionage Act and the increased threats against federal law enforcement. It's about the balance of power and the rule of law. And let's not forget the broader concerns about political violence. In the wake of the January 6, 2021 attack on the US Capitol, these concerns have never been more relevant. Alarmingly, 12% of both Republicans and Democrats believe such violence is acceptable. That's a significant number of people willing to resort to extreme measures. The political divisions are clear, and the future implications are significant. As the wheels of justice continue to turn, we're left to ponder the potential fallout from this case. So the question is, will Trump face the music, or will he dance his way out of this one too?